Things to do at home if you are bored. What's your favorite childhood movie? Take a relaxing bubble bath. Make a photo wall. Teach your pet a new trick. Try a new recipe. Update your passwords. Make a bucket list. Watch a documentary on a topic you are curious about. Read a book that's been sitting on your shelf for a while. Delete old emails. Test old pens and throw away dry ones. Rearrange the furniture in your house or room. Declutter your closet. Make a birthday wish list. Start a manifestation journal. Learn a trending hook step. Treat yourself to a spa day. Video call friends or family. Make a handmade gift for someone special.